Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Irene. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my new purchase that I recently made from Loewe. So if you're interested to see, then let's get straight into this video. So a quick disclaimer, this is not an actual true unboxing by any means. This is more of a reveal. I have been using this bag already because I love it so much. I couldn't wait. And I thought I would just share it with you guys. This is kind of like a bag that I've been wanting for a while, and it is because I am currently 3 weeks away from my due date. I am pregnant right now, so hence the breathlessness. But I was looking at bags, and you know, sometimes you get into that wormhole or black hole where you start looking at handbags and you can't stop, and you find one that really captures you. This one did that to me, and I was able to justify it in a million plus ways, so I just did it. So I'll show you guys what I got. Like I said, I've already been using this bag, and I got it from my local Saks Fifth Avenue, and I put it back into this dust bag even though I've already used it and all my stuff is in it already. But the bag that I am currently loving, and the one that I'm about to reveal, is this one right here. This is my new Loewe puzzle bag in the small size. Now, I don't know how many of you guys saw the little hint I gave you guys back here. This was my Loewe mini puzzle bag I purchased this past summer when I was on my belated honeymoon in Malaysia, and I have been loving this bag, especially this size in like the spring summertime. And I kind of got looking into the Loewe puzzle bags again, and then I saw this color and I was like, I'm about to be a mom and I'm gonna need bigger bags because a lot of my bags are mini bags, so I might need to carry more things around with me. And this is just a really carefree, you know, like quiet bag that's not super loud, like asking for attention with the monograms and everything. This one is just such a cute bag. So I went to my Saks, I looked it up, and where I live, the selection of certain brands is not great. And so I was lucky enough to find this at my local Saks Fifth Ave. I've seen it in person a few times. I didn't bite the bullet, but then I eventually decided I really wanted it. And so I went back into stores and I picked up the last one in this color. This color is the sand color, and it is in the grained calf skin. So if you guys look, I don't know if you guys can see very carefully, there is like a slight grained texture on it, whereas the one that I purchased back in the summer is like a smooth calf skin. This one has less of that graininess, it's more smooth. Honestly, I love them both. I do have to say I might prefer the smooth leather, the texture of it more so than the grained, but either way, I love them both. And the reason why I got the grained leather this time is because certain colors only come in certain leathers. I'm pretty sure I was looking into it, and this sand color really only came in this grained leather. Correct me if I'm mistaken, but that's what I kind of concluded from my research that I was doing when I was digging. So I went with this because I love this sand color. Like I said, I picked up the last sand color at my local Saks Fifth Avenue. When I looked at Holt Renfrew in my city, they were sold out of this color entirely. They only had like this like blue-gray color left, and I think maybe black, but I already have enough black bags. I don't need more. I really wanted this type of color, more neutral and light, that could be transitioned into all year wear. Like bags like this, it's perfect for spring, summer. It's not so dark. And so that's why I loved it. Another reason why I loved it when I saw it is because it has gold hardware. My other one back there has silver hardware. This one has gold, and I just love how it looks. I love the slouchiness of it. I did actually order a bag organizer from Etsy. Hasn't arrived yet, but it is on its way. So I just wanted to kind of give it a little bit of shape at the bottom. I love the slouch up here. I ordered the organizer that's like not super tall. That way it gives it the shape down here, but it leaves the slouchiness up here. It comes with this strap. I have it on the shortest length because I like to wear it as a shoulder bag. That's not super long, so It comes out to about here, and it is the perfect length for me. I am 5'4", and obviously you can adjust it to the longest length is right here. I'm literally right here now, so you can see kind of how much longer it can go, but I love it, and you can wear it so many different ways. I love holding it like this, and it is just so cute, and the slouch just like adds to it. I am obsessed with this bag, and I noticed that recently there's been a kind of a trend moving towards, or moving away from more so, the really loud monogrammed luxury handbag pieces. Now don't get me wrong, I love those pieces. I've got plenty of them on my own, in my own luxury collection, but sometimes you just kind of want something that's a little bit more tame, a little bit more quiet, and this is perfect. It doesn't scream like Louis Vuitton or YSL or whatever it is, so I am loving it. This bag holds so much. For those of you that know Loewe, you guys know that even the mini holds a really good amount. When I was in Malaysia carrying that thing around, I was able to carry my camera, this vlogging camera, even though I don't vlog. This is the Canon G7X. It's like a full-sized camera. I was able to fit my phone. I was able to fit like lip gloss, keys, and without a doubt this holds much more. If you guys, I'll do a size comparison video down the road. Oh my god, I'm boiling. But I will do a size comparison video later down the road, but this is just what they look like side by side, and you can see this is substantially bigger, and obviously because of that it'll hold a lot more, and that is exactly why I loved it. There is a medium size in this. I didn't try it on because to me that's too big for my frame. This is already quite a big bag for me, so I just love it. I love it so much. I don't know what else to say. There is this back pocket back here that doesn't entirely fit my phone, but you can definitely slip it in there, and like you see, that's what fits in there for my phone, but it doesn't fit all the way in so that you can close it. But not a big deal. You can always put like parking stubs and stuff like that, receipts in there. And inside I have my stuff in here, so I'll just quickly show you guys what's in my bag, I guess. I might as well. I don't have it stuffed to the brim because I don't really need that much with me on a daily basis, but I have my inhaler, my Symbicort inhaler, because your girl is asthmatic and this pregnancy is also not helping. I have my LANEIGE lip sleeping mask. This is in the mango flavor. I love this, and it makes your lips look so glossy. And then I have three more things. I have my mini pochette in the damier bean, however you say it. And in here I've got like a bunch of like little things, like eye drops, hand cream from L'Occitane, Tide to Go, because I've been so clumsy lately with my big belly sticking out. It catches everything and it's so annoying. I used to be such a careful person and now I'm clumsy. I've got some Claritin in here, hair tie, and Tums. If you've been pregnant or you are pregnant and you experience heartburn, I feel you. So bring your Tums with you wherever you go. So I've got things in here, and then oh, there's paper in here. I was just at my eye doctor's appointment because I haven't gone since 2019, and so I went and got my eyes checked, and this is just basically my receipt and my updated prescription. And then I have two more things in here. This is my Louis Vuitton key pouch. I think it used to be called the key clay, in the damier ben, and I just have all my cards in here. And finally, I've got a Burt's Bees lip balm in here, but this is what it looks like inside. It is like a cotton type of textile lining. It's got kind of like a herringbone texture weave into it, and of course there's the back leather tab with Loewe stamped in, made in Spain. And then there's also one back slip pocket here. This is actually, I have the receipt in here, and also this is kind of like their certificate, if you call it that. Yeah, that's the certificate for the bag. It was made in Madrid, and then a bunch of it is in Spanish. Calfskin, 100% calfskin, and 45% linen and 55% cotton on the interior. So I kept that back there because I don't know where else to put it right now. Just to give you guys like an idea, I paid, so this bag, it was very interesting in terms of pricing. I was looking at this online and it ranged in prices depending on what retailer you were looking at, which I found very interesting because a lot of times when you're looking at luxury handbags, a lot of times they are pretty much straight across the board one price, unless you're looking at something like Essence or something like that. It was just strange to me because this bag, I've seen it go for 2 different prices in Canadian dollars. So currently, I personally bought mine for $4,100 plus taxes in my province. But I have also seen this exact same bag in the exact same size, same color, same leather, everything, retail for $46.50, I want to say, Canadian before taxes as well. So that's like a $500 difference. And so I found that very interesting. Now I found that at Holt's and at Saks Fifth Avenue, they have this bag retailing for $4,100 Canadian dollars. And then at other places, like even the Loewe's official website, they were retailing this at $46.50 approximately, $4,600. And yes, even though I did the math on it, on the Loewe's official website, this bag retails for $4,600, like I said. And it is taxes and duties and imports included in the price already. Obviously, I didn't have to pay like duties or imports on this bag because I bought it in store at my local Saks, but I don't know how much it would cost if I was to actually order it in terms of like duties and things like that, import taxes and stuff. Taxes where I live is only 5% sales tax. So I was doing the math. It's still cheaper for me to purchase this in store where I'm from. So with taxes, everything included, I paid $4,305 for this, which is still several $100s cheaper than paying the $4,600 and then whatever. So it's very interesting. If you are looking at buying this bag, shop around a little bit, as I'm sure you already do, and see where the cheapest pricing is, because I don't see the reason for paying an extra $300 if you don't have to. And quite frankly, there was no difference between this one that was selling for $41 versus the $46. So I just kind of find that interesting and a little bit weird. I don't know if they're on their way to increasing all of them across the board to $4,600, but yeah. I just thought I'd put that out there if you are looking, because I found that very, very interesting. And so I went and picked it up before they ran out of stock for the $4,100. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in seeing a comparison between the mini and the small size, I'm definitely planning on filming one very soon, so keep your eyes out for that. Again, if you guys liked today's video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down in the section below. That helps my channel out a great deal, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!